Hi guys. Well, my mission is to build a staircase all the way up there. So hopefully I get to finish it. And look at 3 cats. 1, 2, 3. They're just chilling. Well, yeah. So my objective is to build a staircase all the way up there and have a deck, which is gonna be up here somewhere to overlook the delta. So that is my objective. Is to build a deck right here, right across here. Not too big, not too small, and then so that is the objective. Hopefully I get it. And guess who is calling me? Panther. Panther. What? Hi, girl. This girl has like 8 kids already. 2 of her kids are over there. But don't get eaten, okay? Alright guys, so my objective is to build stairs all the way up there and then have a deck. So I call that, sitting on top of the bay type of deck. So here we go. Yeah, disclaimer, I'm not a professional, I'm not a general contractor, and I cut twice and measure once. Where the stories unfold. Oh, pickup trucks, the dust in the breeze, rolling through life as free as you please. So basically, everything I use is all scrap. Scrap wood, scrap nails, so it's all scrap. So this is the reason why I guess I have so much fun, because I don't really spend too much on it, if any. She's been waiting for me, it's been a while. But these open skies keep calling me back to the road, the freedom, the life I can't lack. Back roads and bar stools, that's where I'll be. With a cold one in hand and my old guitar, you see. So what I do is I just grab what I can and I stick it together. And there's plenty of nails everywhere, like literally everywhere. So if you see all this wood right here? See all those nails right there? I use all that. I reuse all of it. I repurpose it and I reuse it until I have enough. Because what's the point of doing all this if you're gonna keep buying stuff? And then of course, I live in an area where it's always raining, moldy, whenever it happened here. So it wouldn't be smart or financially beneficial to buying you keep buying tools, or you keep buying wood. You want to keep buying wood, and you're like, well, so this is it going to be sturdy? That's the point. I'm gonna make it pretty sturdy. Straight, maybe not, but sturdy for sure. Because sturdy It has to be there. Straight, not so much. So basically, nature's gonna take care of straight. Or it might not ever be straight. But yet, we'll have confidence in it. Well, I know people ain't gonna get hurt. As free as you please. Back roads and bar stools, that's where I'll be. With a cold one in hand and my old guitar, you see, sing about love and hard work in hand. Living the dream in this hard land. There's a girl back home with a sweet southern smile. She's been waiting for me, it's been a while. Right? But these open skies keep calling me back. See that right there? To the road. Totally different. That's my objective, is to go all the way up there. So it's going to be challenging. I'm going to do it. And so, for all you guys out there, I would say, well, you know, shit. If Cole could do it, why can't I do it? So, shit. Cole could do it, why can't I do it? Right? But the road is my love, it's all I ever knew. Maybe one day I'll settle down. I believe in that. But for now I'm chasing sunsets out of town. Back roads and bar stools, that's where I'll be. You know what I realized? Really things with a cold one in hand and my old guitar, you see, singing about love and hard work in hand. Living the dream in this hard land. So raise your glass and sing along to the simple life where we all belong. Back roads and bar stools, that's where I'll stay. Living life my country way. And you guys, when I tell you, the screws everywhere. No need to buy screws, look at that. That's about refurbished. So basically I don't need to buy screws. It's every wood. Upcycle. And that's the length of the port. Alright guys, you see all this crazy thingamajig? Yeah, so in the middle is where I'm going to pour my concrete. So I fill this up with like rebars and metal and scrap metal and things that will like hold this all together. And that's where I pour my concrete. So this week I'm just gonna Well guys, I made 3 out of all the scrap wood I could find. So hopefully it turns out right. Okay,